Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Prophetic Solutions team. I am Sanjay. This is our sixth part of learning Backbone.js tutorial from scratch. In the past video session, we have seen about the Backbone view, working principle of Backbone, as well as the introduction. So many things we have covered so far. This is our sixth video tutorial in which we want to make the clear concept about underscore templating engines in Backbone.js. In the last video session, means part 5, we have discussed about this topic on that. So in this video session, we will see again the concept of underscore templates, because I think guys, in this video session we have to make clear about the underscore templates in a clear vision, because in upcoming videos when we will study about the models and collections in Backbone view, then at that condition actually we have to take the view of underscore templates in great detail. So as we know guys that Backbone.js supports several types of templating engines. First, it hardly depends upon the underscore JS, as we have seen in the introduction part, as well as it supports about the Handlerbars templating engines. So when we study about the models and collections, so in that videos we will discuss about the Handlebars templating engines. So in this video session we are going to about, you can say it's a revision of underscore templates in Backbone.js. So just back to our editor. This is the HTML file guys that I have made so far. These three files, as you know, we have to actually implement under head section to run any application of Backbone view. And this is the syntax of simple jQuery file to load our DOM elements. Okay, so just to make our first view, suppose like our first view, so as you can see guys, this is the first view, means this is the basic concept of creating a view in Backbone. We have discussed in the past videos about Backbone view. If you want to create your Backbone view, then you need to extend Backbone.View, and here is the two methods that we have defined. First is initialize method. By default it acts as a constructor, means when we make object of first view, then by default initialize method will be called, and upon calling it will render the render method, and by running this first view we will get the log message that we have written. So just save your file, go to your browser. So before going to browser, let's make object of that. Just save your file, refresh this page and inspect. As you can see, this is our revision class of Backbone template, definitely, because we have learned about this in video number 5. So just move back to our code editor. Now we are going to use our template. First, just load this EL. We have also discussed about the concept of EL and $EL in great detail in video number 3 or 4 I think. So just you go to our YouTube channel and check this, the difference between EL and $EL. So just you need to define a template. So this is the basic syntax, guys, to define a template in Backbone View. And as you know, we are studying about the underscore templating engines. So by default, the underscore provides the template methods which renders our content into our div area, means DOM element. So, and also guys, as we have seen that this is the inline template engine because we have supplied all the contents inside this method. We haven't made any external templates for this view. So basically this is called inline templates. So if we want to use this template, just copy this object, go to render method, this $rel.html, and we have to use this .template as a method because underscore by default returns this facility to a method to this variable, and if we want to access this template, then we have to call this .template as a method. Okay, and el is a DOM element which basically refers to the ID of this div, as we can see, and this $el basically a jQuery object which points to the DOM element. Okay, so just go to your browser and refresh this page. So this is the syntax or a statement as we can write here. As you can see, this is inline template. So this is the first way to define a template in Backbone View. Now we are going to make the view of Backbone by using external template script. So this is the second way, guys, that we have defined our templates externally. So you have to keep some points while using external templating engines. First, you have to write under type attribute either text /HTML or template. So this is the key point that you have to keep in your mind, because a script tag actually we use to define our JavaScript code. But in Backbone, if you want to use as an external template, then just you have to supply either template or HTML. Okay. And the second key factor about the ID of this template, because when we call this external template to our view, then in that condition we need an ID of this template. So just as we have defined, just copy of that, go to your view, remove this section and define as a selector .html. Just save your file, go to browser and refresh this page. This is the use of external template in Backbone.js. Okay, this is the message that we have written inside this template. So while using any external template, you have to keep in your mind about its type and about its ID, and this is the same way of calling template. Okay, so this is not the single way to call your template inside view. If you want to call something like this, just remove this section and paste it here. Simply, as you can see, we have written only the selector.html. So we have to use now this variable to our template. Just write template underscore.template. We need to supply this .template because this template variable actually refers to this DOM element. Okay, all the contents of this template. So now we have to use this template into our view. So just make copy of that and paste inside this dot as a value. Okay, this is not actually the method, so just save your file, Go to your browser and refresh this page. As you can see, nothing changes. So this is the another way to use any external templates into your view. So we have seen all the two methods of Underscore.js templates about inline templates, and this is called external including templates. This is external templates. Okay guys, so while using any Underscore.js template into Backbone view, you have to keep some points about these sections into your mind. And these are the key points that I have written for you guys, that if you are using an inline template in Underscore.js templates, then this is all the content that you have to actually write inside this template as a method. And this is the same way actually we need to call this template as a method. So this is inline template. So if you are using an external template into a Backbone view, then you need to define under script tag, and type should be either HTML or template, and the ID should be compulsory for that. And here is all the contents that we have written inside this template, and this is the same way that we are calling our external template, and this is how we are binding with our DOM view. So these all two methods actually indicates the use of Underscore.js template in view. We will see about the advanced control section of templates when we will study about the models and collection in Backbone.js. Also we will see about the concept of handlebars templating engines in Backbone view in great detail. So guys, I think I have made much more clear concept about Underscore.js template, either of inline or externally. So in later video session we will discuss about the use of events in Backbone view. So if you have any query about this video session guys, then please do comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. And also guys, if you are a lover of you can say WordPress, then just go to our YouTube channel, and here you can find several resources we have provided about the WordPress customizations, like theme development, plugin development, widget, theme options, as well as some tricky programming tricks. So these all guys we have provided to enhance your skills. Just read all these video sessions from here and enhance your skills. So guys, for this video session, thank you for watching. Have a great day.